This little video is to show you how to make a Picot stitch. So I'm using a Picot in this final round to give this little coaster or scrubby, whatever you want it to be, a little ruffled edge. So what I'm doing is I'm making a single crochet and then making a picot in the top of that. So it's quite a simple little stitch and can be used just to add a little point. You can use it for joining together. If you've got a motif, you can join in the middle of from one picot to a next. So to make the picot for this one, I'm going to do a single crochet first, or double crochet if you're using UK terms. Then it's simply a chain 3. And then you're going to slip stitch into the chain furthest from the hook, so the third chain. So you got 1, 2, 3, and just do a slip stitch into that, and then you've got your little picot. So if I do another single crochet, and then I'm going to create a picot by chain 3, and then just slip stitch into that chain that's furthest from the hook. Okay, and then you end up with little picots. So just one more time. So I'm going to do a single crochet first, and then I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm just going to, so if I count them, 1, 2, 3, I'm just going to slip stitch, and you'll notice that I go into 2 loops there. So just slip stitch. Can be this one's going to be a little difficult, and then you've got your little picot. So if I just get another hook, you can see that there's a little hole made, so it ends up being, you've got like a little ring essentially that you're making, but it's just giving that nice little ruffled edge.